this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands. And I'm here with something exciting. You may have seen these thumbnails already on Instagram, on Facebook, Facebook groups, Facebook pages. But together with Teri from Sweet Pea Papers, we are hosting a challenge, and it's called Teri's Crafty Christmas. It has 30 plus collaborators, 50 plus YouTube videos, 5 Facebook groups, and 5 winners drawings. And it's coming very soon. Of course, it's going to start at the 1st of December, and it's going to end at the 25th. So on first Christmas Day, because over here in the Netherlands we have 2 Christmas days. So the 26th is also a Christmas Day in the Netherlands, and in some European countries too. But the majority only have Boxing Day on the 24th and Christmas Day on the 25th. But this is just a little teaser to tell you what is coming in December. Of course, there will be challenges, like it's already said. There will be 5 drawings, so there will be challenges, and I'm going to make challenge papers. The challenge papers will only be available in my Facebook group, so only in LineDotArrow Junk Journal group. But we have 4 other groups, in total of 5 groups that are going to host the challenges, which mean each group is going to do their winner's drawing and giveaway. And the prizes are digitals, but it's a variation with something else too. But you have to check the event section once the challenges are being set up per Facebook group, because it's going to be different. And it's going to be the same. The same is going to be the way we always do the collaborations in the Facebook group. Posting all the groups using the challenge papers is going to give you 1 entry using the hashtag Teri's Crafty Christmas. And if you use one of the Christmas kits or both, together with the challenge papers. But if you purchase one of these kits, the post is going to be 2 entries. I'm just going to show you the graphic of all the groups that are hosting. It's Sweet Pea Papers, of course, because it's Teri's group. Then, of course, LineDotArrow. Then you also have Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and Junk Journal and Papercrafts, because these are also from Teri. And, of course, the ladies from Two Sister Jam, Dana and Stacey Merritt, are going to host this challenge too, which we are very grateful for. The design team members are going to be working with the kits, but we also have extra creative people joining in the collab, and they are going to show off their work too. It's not only going to be YouTube videos, there will also be just Instagram and Facebook posts, because we want a variety. And some people are so very talented but just don't have a YouTube channel. That doesn't mean they are not a good collaborator. So we invited a mix and match of different types of platforms and people, different styles. So I hope it will bring you joy and maybe ignite a little bit more creativity that you haven't done before. Something new, something different. Like I said, there will be 2 challenge kits. And this one is The Magic of Christmas. This one has 25 pages. And then I also added a blue one, and it's called Blue Christmas. And this one has 26 pages. To be honest, I started with this one, and then I thought, well, we need to do something with red and soft pinks too, because greens, I don't know, to me this screams Christmas, but to me this screams, okay, I want to do this too. Let's start out with the Magic of Christmas. 25 pages. This is just a promo sheet. I have a new setup. Let me check if it's going to work. Yeah, I think I have the light adjusted. I have so many lights. If you see this, you're probably going to laugh very loud because it's so hokey pokey. It's not very professional, but yeah, it is what it is. I do have to work with what I have. I don't have a professional recording studio. I don't have a professional camera. I just use my phone, and I have several lights, ring lights, but mostly they are just desk lights. And there's one hanging above my head that I clamped into a phone holder, and it's it's not a very professional setup, but it works. But like I said, this is the promo sheet. And there are 25 pages. And it's the magic of Christmas. And to me, magic is like angels, a little fairy tale images, but also very sweet and soft and calming images. So I try to do a mix and match of those. This is absolutely one of my favorite pages. And to be honest, I believe I created a similar page, and I don't think I ever released that kit that was completely with red and pinks. I have to search for that one. I haven't. I think I showed it on my YouTube channel once, but I think I have it for 3 years already. Not even finished the kit. Never posted in the Etsy store. But this is the first page, and this is what I mean with the magic. Making decorating the tree, the girl at the fireplace with the stockings. So this is the second page. Then we have a sort of backing writing paper. I honestly hope you can see the colors very well. Then I have a very busy, but I do love this print, also backing paper. Of course, these with, I think these are called pancettas, if I'm saying it right. I'm not sure, but we call them kerststerren. And the berries we call besjes. So this is it can also be used like this, whatever you prefer. So I have this one, and of course Santa need to be included. And of course little elves with pointy ears. I really like these, with a background of Christmas houses with snow and wood, Christmas trees, scripts also. Also one of my favorite pages, this one. I really like these patterns, and they are so versatile to use. Then of course I added a collage sheet, which I also love. Different things, different patterns, items added. Then I have a second one, and then I believe I even printed twice. I don't know why, so I'm just going to show you this one. And another collage sheet, which I also love. Then we have a journal page with ledger. And of course there will be fuzzy cut items, a set of journal cards slash, this can be turned into a side tuck or a belly band, but you can use these for different things. Of course tags, you can use these single or layer them together, so you have stacked tags. That's an option. Little cards and other fuzzy cuts. Then there is one sheet with smaller items, because I thought that would be nice to put on your tags or smaller elements. Journal cards with the little children peeking through, little bits and bobs. Index cards. You can of course cut these in 4 and back them with something else, but you can also just cut out and glue these together, fold them over here, and you have a front and a back side. Tags. And I wanted bigger tags because I thought maybe you can turn this into a tag book. Pockets. And then there is this little booklet, which you can also turn into a front cover piece, or just cut out the frame and use it for something else. But it's going to be like a little signature booklet. And we also have this little girl on the front with a signature booklet. But again, you can also turn this into a tag. You can turn this into a tag, or use this as a pocket, use this as a journal card to slide in. And I also added these in a smaller version because I really like these. Then there is a Christmas envelope with a journal card and some fuzzy cut items. So this is the Magic of Christmas kit. It has 25 pages and it will be in my Etsy store. And during this week, because after I finish this video and edit it and show it on YouTube, the kits will be available in my Etsy. And these will be on sale with a 40% discount throughout November. Because there is like the Black Friday thing going on and Cyber Monday and Thanksgiving. And so I thought, well, maybe it's time to do something extra too. So these will be on sale with a 40% discount throughout November. And they also will be on sale in December, but then it will be with a 30% discount. I also still have the, how do you say that? Discount going on, that if you purchase 6 kits or more, you will receive a 50% discount on the original price. When you purchase 10 or more, it's going to be 60%. You don't have to do anything, just add things to your cart, if you want to, of course. And it's going to deduct the discount from the original price. So it is possible to have this kit with a 60 or 50% discount if you want. But at least you need to buy 6 kits to have 50. And from 10 it will be 60. Without just single, this one will be with 40% during November. And in December it will be with a 30% discount. Then we have the blue one. And the same goes for the blue one. The same price setting, the same things is going to apply to this one as to the other one. 26 pages, a lot of teal, blue, even greens in here. It is less busy, if I say it right. But I do absolutely like the blue. With the bells and the different patterns. This one. This is my favorite. Well, I have a lot of favorite, but I really like this one. It's a very busy page, but you can put so many beautiful things on top. Then I have this one with the lace. Also a favorite page of mine. And we have this one. Then we have one with a beautiful deer. Different patterns, also stripes. Little florals and some script. Also different textures behind. Also one of my favorite pages, this one. A script paper, just simple brown, but also there are 2 different patterns in here and script and different colors. A journal page or a backing page. A music sheet. With a window. I really like this one too. And this is also one of my favorite pages. I really like these. And then there is going to be some ephemera pieces. I have a Christmas envelope with a long card that goes in. These are the minis. Of the bigger ones I also have. Just going to show you the bigger ones first. Labels, words, little fuzzy cut elements. So these are over here. Oh, this is 3 on 1, sorry. Because I wanted to make tinier pieces. Then you have pockets. Then you have tags. So these are on here too. And then you have journal card with all the deers. And these are on here too. So we have one sheet with little pieces. Of course, I needed to add bigger journal cards, tags too. The same applies to this one. I thought maybe you can turn this into a tag book. Little envelope, little journal cards, some embellishment pieces. More tags, more labels, more buttons, and more tags. I just recounted them. I wasn't sure if it were actually 26 pages, but together with the promo sheet, I counted 27. So, yay! So, this one is also going to be listed in my Etsy. It's going to be with a 40% discount during the month of November. From December, it's going to be with 30%. The same with this one. And I also have a sale with my previous kits, of course, the Christmas papers that I have. And this is going to start very, very soon. So keep an eye on this collaboration. It's going to be Teri's Crafty Christmas. And yeah, I'm very excited because I have no idea what people are going to create with these. So these are the two challenge kits we are going to be working with. Like I said, there will be challenge papers for 3 weeks, 3 different challenges, hosted in 5 groups, collaborators, YouTube videos, drawings. It's going to start on the 1st of December, so it's coming very, very soon, next week. And the hashtag is Teri's Crafty Christmas. Yeah, this is it for today. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to. Maybe want to hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And I would love to see your comments on the kits, if you love them, which one you prefer more. And I hope to see you again. And I can't wait till the collab is going to start because I'm super excited what everybody is going to show you. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.